UNH is our chart of the day. And I think I've covered UNH before. It was a chart that I really wanted to get into. And I'm doing this chart today because it was one that I cashed out of today. I exited today with a 19% profit. So what I did was I marked my entry and exit. So I got in on October 3rd, and unfortunately, I had to sit through some selling. But the thing with trading options is you have to give yourself a little bit of leeway when it goes down because options can swing quite a bit. And so, because it's a good stock, I decided I would wait. My option was all the way out until January, so I wasn't worried because, like I said, you always buy out on time. And it was also an in the money option, which is important because that's just safety. Out on time plus in the money equals safety for me. So I exited today then on that one. They had good earnings news. This was not an earnings play. I just was just still in the stock, so it definitely was not that. But because it had good earnings, I got out. And that's the other thing. So people could have gotten in today because they had good news or because it was up or whatever. But if you're in a stock and it has a day like that, that's when you sell. That's when you get out. So you sell into the rally, as you would hear people say. So that is UNH, and that is the one that I had some success with. I really like this chart, and I'll probably play it again, but it's going to need to go through some profit taking before I get in, and I need a fresh buying signal. Right now, it could do something like form a triangle, it could form a flag pattern, and it could go to the downside when it breaks out. So I don't want to be around when that happens, but I will be around when it has a new buy signal. And then the Dow, I just don't even know what to say. I know UNH was one of the things that helped the Dow pop up and hit 23,000 today. And that's a very technical level, very round psychological level. 23,000. I never thought that the Dow would ever hit that level. So sometimes when it hits a real round level like that, people will start taking profits. So we'll see what happens. Everything, like I said, is just pretty extended. So we will see what happens in the next few days. I did create a poll to see what people think about that. And I will try to post the link to that. It might take you into one of my groups, so just so you know. Anyway, we will see you tomorrow and see what the market holds. And if you like what you see, be sure to visit www.simplytradetoday.com and you can get a free watch list and see some of the things that we have going on there.